Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for December 16, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's an SPY daily chart. You can see that the market found a support and then they pull back down, they pull back up, and today they will continue to put it back up right into the previous high, and then they stop right there, they pull it back a little bit. So if you see in the shorter time frame, we are trying to get up, try to punch through the sell zone, couldn't do it. We failed the first time, we failed it second time, and then we try another attempt, but we couldn't go through it. So let's see it tomorrow when the market open. If we be able to break through that level, we will continue to the upside. All right. So if you look at the E-mini SP 500, the overall the market they found a supported buy zone, and then they continue to push it back up. Yet today they push it back up, they pull back down, they retest, and then they still find a way to put it higher. So if you are in our live trading room today, when the market open, our member already know ahead of time the market already hit the sell zone, so they are all the way down, so they can took the first short from here down the bottom here for 10 point, and then they can buy back and then push it to the upside for another 10 point. So that's 20 point. So you can make $1,000 for the first hour, and then you can finish the day trading. Okay, so when I get out of our trading room, I take a couple of trades here, so make some profit for the day trading. Total net profit today at $1,717. And if you look at the a bunch of stock that we look at over the weekend on the market, on the weekly market forecast, and you can see that the QQQ is still very strong. They found support and then they continue to the upside. And a lot of technology stock, they try to find a way to come back up, like Amazon, Microsoft, and those kind of stuff. They are trying to put it higher. So and then you can see that a bunch of stock in that sector, like Apple, you can see that they're doing extremely well there. Okay, CSGG. Okay, then another one that continue to push it higher, and Zillow still try to put it back up. ZEN, that's another one we look at. It's still in the sideways, but still in the uptrend. And the semiconductor is still doing very well. As you can see here, it continue. They put back a little bit, and then they push it back up again. A lot of stock in this sector is still doing well, like AMD. Okay. KLAC, okay, AMAT, okay, they also hang in there, okay, and VDA, NVIDIA, it also try to find a way up. MHK, so those stock that we look at over the weekend, they still hang tight to the upside right there. And the oil sector is still in the sideways correction. That's why you see a lot of stock like Chevron, Occidental, Philip, ExxonMobil, they are still in the sideways correction there. Okay, and the solar stock yesterday, they are still doing very well, and then today they pull back a little bit. Okay, after they run up too fast yesterday, so people take some profit and they try to build some momentum to get it higher. Okay, so the market, overall market is still in the uptrend, so we will stick with the uptrend until they show us that they cannot go higher. As long as the market is still continue to push it up, we will stick with the uptrend. Okay, so that's all we have for you right now. So if you would like to learn how to read the chart, how to analyze the chart using a modern technical analysis combined with a crowd psychology and a pattern recognition, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. We have a video there for you to take a look so you can see how we trade. So hopefully you can learn something, and then you can make money for yourself. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Make sure you sign up with the YouTube and always give me a thumb up. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.